Hey guys, it's Mercedes, also known as that mom here on the internet, and today we are going to finally start organizing another space. Now, oh gosh, my face is so itchy, I don't know why. Well, I already did it, so I did it during playtime, so it was kind of loud and everything. So, but right now we are going to show you how we organize our space. We went to Family Dollar the other day, and we ended up getting these really cool little containers. So they are the Family Chef container. Don't mind my very dark laundry room right there. But it's called the Family Chef Food Storage Container. And it's got the click lock design and all that kind of stuff. And of course, it's this kind of cool plastic that we can write on with the dry erase markers and a little bit of alcohol, and we'll take it right off. But anyway, yeah, so it says that these are click lock design. Yeah, that was hard to say. Freezer safe, microwave safe, and top rack dishwasher safe. It doesn't say anything about BPA free or anything like that. So I don't know. Probably not, but we're not using it to store food per se. We're using it to organize our our condiment junk drawer. I can't speak, guys. I'm having issues. But anyway, yeah, our condiment drawer right here. So, and I will, of course, show you guys what that entailed and everything in just a moment. So, enjoy.
Okay, guys, welcome to the back side of my kitchen. I don't think we ever really come over here, but today we are going to be organizing this drawer, like I said, and these are the Family Chef containers from the Family Dollar store. They are marked on the website as a 6-cup container, and on the website, as well as on the container, I cannot find if they are BPA free, but they do say that they're food containers. So I personally won't be heating anything up in these containers. We're just going to be using them in this drawer. Just like you're seeing our little junk drawer, condiment junk drawer. I think everybody has one. So we're trying to try out this TikTok thing over here in this drawer. So this container was $2.50 at our local Family Dollar store. It's available online, and it says it is bulk in a case of 3. And there is another color on the website. I think it's like a pink color. Like a pinky color, yeah, something like that. And I think it's probably just a availability thing, because I did not see any of the second color in my Family Dollar store. We only saw actually these 3 containers that were on the shelf, so we decided to get them. Our drawer is a little awkward, but I think we can fit at least 3 more also in here, and then maybe get a smaller container for in between that little gap you see, maybe to hold the pens or anything, because as you see, a dry erase marker works really well on these, and they're that glossy plastic, so all you need is like an alcohol swab, or if you have like an expo marker cleaner. So but you know, you can probably just wash it like normal, and the pen will come right off. Sorry, 2 a.m. voiceover, guys, welcome. It's actually 2:22 a.m, so I am passing on a wish to you guys. Use it. And then, okay, so I don't know how to spell ketchup, and so that's why I went back and forth. But anyway, my gripe about this container is, you can see right here, if you're not on track, the bend mark is very, very obvious, so I'm not a huge fan of that.
Okay, so I hope that all kind of made sense. I did pre-clean out the drawer and everything, because I had already started to clean it and wipe it down and everything during playtime, and I had totally forgot to come and set up my camera where I had set it up during these shots and everything. So I got through with that part, and then I was like, oh no, the camera. So I hope what I did do on camera made enough sense, and of course with the voiceover, I mean, you guys will understand what was happening. But yeah, so we're very excited to try these containers, and let's see how long they last. Today is March 3rd, I want to say. So today's March 3rd. Let's go with that. And I will definitely try to update in video form if and when cracks happen. There are some finicky issues, which I probably told you about in the voiceover. But yeah, other than that, they seem to be doing wonders. We could probably fit another, let's say probably another 3 in here in our drawer. But yeah, so they are working for the intended purpose that we got them for right now. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated, and I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I don't know if I call it a TikTok hacks video, but we're calling it something. So anyway, thank you guys for joining me. Hit the like button if you did like this little quick video, and we'll see you in the next video. Make sure to hit the subscribe too and the bell icon, and I have no clue where I'm looking at for camera wise, but anyway, see you guys in the next video. Bye!